Yes, hi, this is Joe from Dawn Equipment Company, and here at Louisville 2015. And one of the things we're talking about this year is really changes at Dawn in terms of our focus with the new Dawn Biologic brand, which is our brand where we're specifically making a product line devoted towards cover crops and other high biodiversity farming systems. And so there's a couple new things we wanted to highlight going on with that brand, where we're really looking at the intersection of soil health, higher yields, and groundwater quality, and basically using soil health. As a company, Dawn is super bullish about soil health, and we're investing heavily, and we want to be the soil health company. And in order to do that, we've been adding a couple different products to our range, which are really specifically tailored to next generation cover crop practices. The kind of cover crop practices that you're seeing larger adoption going on the East Coast, certainly in Pennsylvania, Maryland, that we think are going to expand westward too. So one of the key elements, especially for us, because we say, hey, how are we going to get cover crops to be adopted more in the northern Corn Belt, where Dawn's located? Well, we have a great product in terms of planting into tall cover crops, but there was another angle missing, which is stand establishment. So we've been working with some of our industry partners. Steve Groff at Cover Crop Solutions has been working closely with me. Charles Martin, another inventor out in Pennsylvania, we've been working with him too, and really saying, hey, what do we do to get the stands established earlier? And so what we've come to here is we've built on the inter-row seeding concept. Okay, so the idea is, instead of waiting until after you harvest to get out the drill or to take an airplane and fly it on, both of which are, okay, who has time after harvest in Iowa, Minnesota, Dakotas to get out the drill and plant a couple thousand acres? Doesn't exist. Stand establishment with an airplane. Some people get good results, some people don't. It's not reliable enough when you're going to try and use cover crops as a primary mode for weed control. You know, it's just not quite there. So the idea with the interseeder, you know, Penn State has been a real leading researcher in this area, and they've supplied a lot of data that's really encouraging, is you are actually drilling the cover crops between the rows at side dress. So what we have here is we have a single row unit that suspends two openers, okay? And each opener has an offset double disc design to penetrate and cut residue well. It's got a closing wheel, its own adjustment. They articulate independently, okay? So when you're going over terrain, it naturally finds the even ground there. And it also integrates a liquid drop system. So you're going to be drilling the seed either on 10 inches, where it's set up right now, or you can move it out to 15 inches and dribble liquid right on the row at the same time. You've got a parallel linkage with air down pressure, and this is the kind of thing that you can take an old cultivator toolbar, you can take some sort of other system, you can easily bolt these on, connect it to an air delivery system, a lot of different products available on the market, and there you go. So we're going to be, again, we're partnering with Cover Crop Solutions. We're going to be doing trials across all of the Midwest this year. And so keep a lookout. We're going to be feeding you with a lot more information on that.